Hi everyone, it is Sunday and it's November 13th, 2022, and we're starting our next project and hopefully we can get it done before lunch. Kevin and I are going to start the old burning stove up, and what we need to do is get wood to the house from the woodshed area. So this year what we're going to do is we're going to stack it in one of these totes. There we go. And he has the side of it open, as you can see. And this is the first time we're going to try this. And then he's going to use the forks on the tractor to go ahead and pick this up and drive it all the way over to the garage. And that way we can have more wood closer to the house and not have wood in the living room stacked up and have bark all over the floor. So my job, and this is the first time we're trying this, is to take that wood, as much as it will fit in here, and stack it in as neat as possible and see how it goes. All right, I'll try and put this on some time lapse and we'll start stacking. Hi, looks like we got the job done, and I wanted to show you something here. These I have to knock off in the other wood pile because they're little ladybugs. I did that on a couple already, and I just noticed that here's some here, and I don't want to burn them up in the fireplace. So we're going to bring them over this way and kind of tap them off. And gently use our finger a little bit here and get them so they can go in this pile on this side, because this is the pile that we're going to start using next year. So this way they can be coming out, flying around, and giving us all good luck. So all is well, and as you can see, I filled it all the way up, so hopefully Kevin will get this out okay. And we'll have nice warm for several months, hopefully, in the house. And then when this gets empty, we'll come out and put more of the wood that's on this side in there. So super. I'm very happy. Hopefully it'll work out. And you guys have a great day. Take care. Love ya. Bye-bye now.